Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick installation video on installing the headset adapter. First thing you need to do, pull your old ear pad off, set it to the side, as well as grab your headset adapter. The ear pad will be installed onto the adapter when you get it, so you'll need to pull the ear pad off and set it to the side. On your part, you'll have numbers across the top. This one's obviously screwed up, but there are specific holes orientated for the screws that are on the part. So you'll want to take your center hole and line it up with the speaker, and then move your part around. Move your part around until you can see where the screws line up to where you are able to get the screws out later on if you need to service your battery. Once you have that located, you can pull the red 3M tape protector off, and I'm just going to peel it back slightly on this one just for an example. And then you will line up your holes again with your correct screw holes for your corresponding headset, and you'll kind of want to rotate it around until you get it in the right position, and then with the back fully peeled, you're going to want to squeeze down on the actual headset, and you're going to want to squeeze it together for about 20 to 30 seconds with a really good squeeze. That'll pretty much set the 3M tape to where it will not come off. And once you have the ear pad actually installed on, the next step will be to get the actual leather pad or the cooling gel pad, whatever one works specifically for your that you ordered. And to install it, this will be glued on. The easiest way that I found is to take it and start it at the 10 to midnight position and slide it down onto the adapter. I'm going to remove this just for ease of explanation. So you're going to want to take the adapter and slide it in from the 10 to the 12 o'clock position as much as you can. And I've included a installation tool. And so basically what you're going to do is take the installation tool and tuck it up underneath, and you're basically going to run it counterclockwise around the part. You're going to want to hold up because sometimes it'll try to walk around on you and come off. But you basically just kind of work your way around until the ear pad is fully seated on the adapter, and you are good to go. Thank you.